Hey, did you know that you can play simple games on your phone and get paid in crypto? There are tons of simple tap to earn games on Telegram that you can use to make money. And in fact, when I first got into crypto back in 2015, I used very similar method to make money and buy the phone that I'm currently holding right now. I was using websites like freebitco.in, and I would come here every single hour and collect free Bitcoin. Obviously, 9 years ago the payouts were way higher than now because of the price. Back then Bitcoin costed only $400, which is crazy to think about because right now it's over $67,000. And if you want to start collecting free crypto in 2024, all you need to get started is your phone, Telegram app, which you can get in Google Play Store or App Store. And when you download Telegram, you head down to the description down below so you can access these games. And you don't need to pay anything, they are completely free. And some of these games may work on PC too, however, they were mainly designed for mobile. Now let me head over to my phone and I will show you how it works. So here is a list of games I am currently using on Telegram, and if you click the link in the description down below, each game will create separate chat to keep yourself organized. If you go to chat and hold on it, click three dots, you can add any chat to any folder, create separate folder just for these games, okay? And playing these games is very, very simple. You just go into the chat, click Start Up, and it will just start. Inside of Telegram, you don't need to download any extra software. All you have to do is go to Telegram, go into chat, and start the game. And most of the games I'm about to show you have two modes. You can just click farm coins or keep tapping and get coins that way. And these coins will eventually be transferable for crypto, because most of these projects are very new and they didn't launch the main coin yet. So right now all you can do is keep collecting these coins, keep using boosters to collect even more coins, and eventually when the project will start, you will be able to transfer these coins for crypto. And as you can see, you have also tasks to get more coins, like for example, post a story on Instagram, set up your email, invite a person. There are a lot of ways you can get more coins than just click on farm or tapping. Obviously it has daily fortune wheel, which you can spin to get some extra rewards. And you can invite your own friends too. You just click invite, copy the link, and you will earn small commission. And by the way, I'm also earning small commission for every link you clicked. However, you are not losing anything, I'm just gaining a tiny bit of coins. And as you can see, you can already withdraw simple coin. However, for most coins that's not the case, they are still waiting for launch. Let me show you another game. To leave it, you just click X, close anyway, and you are back into Telegram. So you can go to another, for example, Type Farm. You just click open the app, and you can, if you don't want to spend all day just looking at the apps and clicking and just tapping to earn the coins, you can use only the feature to farm the coins. You can go in the morning and in the evening to spend the least amount of time and still get coins. And as you can see, there's a different game. However, the whole process is very similar. You just click here to farm on the bottom. You have some extra tasks that you can complete to gain more coins. You can refer friends. And right here, you can also stake your coins and ask some questions to get even more coins. And it's very important thing that some of these apps connect directly to your wallet, so they can airdrop the token when they launch. So just to keep yourself safe, because obviously some of these apps you come across, you go and click random one, can be a potential scam. So every single time when you are connecting to these kinds of apps, go to something like Tonekeeper, for example, and create a specific wallet only for games and airdrops. And that way you can be sure that even if one game or an airdrop will be a scam, you won't lose your main funds. And some of these games also do weekly giveaways. As you can see here, they are giving away 1000 USDT for people who invite the most people. So if you have a lot of friends, or you have your own YouTube channel or any other social media account that has a lot of followers, you can use it to potentially get some money from it. However, I'm currently just farming this because we are heading into the peak of the bull run, and if these coins launch and you will be able to withdraw them, they might be worth something. And yeah, I won't show you every single game because they are very, very similar. For example, here you just get extra bonuses for clicking on it every single day. You just click start and start collect the coins. And you can see here that you also have to connect your wallet, so use the wallet that you created specifically for these games, so if anything bad happens, you won't get scammed from your main funds. Obviously, some of these games may not even launch the token because they might not collect enough money to accomplish that, because most of these games work by referral system. So every task you've seen, like play another game, and they are getting commission from it, from just redirecting users. However, since it's on Telegram, this is the best place for games like this to start because there are a lot of users, so there's a huge chance, just by the sheer volume of people who play these games, that the token will be able to launch. But obviously nothing in this video is a financial advice. There is a chance that you will keep playing these games and don't earn anything, and I want to be fully transparent with you. It's not guaranteed to pay you money. But if you have no other way to invest and you want to at least try to get something from this bull run, I would recommend just playing these games twice a day. Collect the coins from farming. You don't have to stare at your screen 24/7 and keep tapping and tapping. Just do the bare minimum and there's a chance that this will be worth something. And if you're already playing games like these clickers, you can just swap them for the Telegram ones and there's a chance that you'll get actually paid for playing games. You can follow the official announcement channel for every of these games, so you can stay up to date and get notified when the coin launches. So that will be it for this video. If you want to get started yourself, head down to the links below or search for these games via Telegram. You just click on contacts and search, for example, SimpleCoin. If you don't want me to get anything from the referral link, it's fine, it's up to you. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Peace.